Are you getting ready for your football feast when the Birds take on the Rams? Well, this Sunday, you can eat like an eagle. Well, at least an eagle who played in the 1980 Super Bowl. CBS Philadelphia's Dan Snyder went to the Historical Society of Pennsylvania, where they have a 45-year-old cookbook with recipes from players, coaches, and their families. Dan even took a shot at preparing one of the meals.
Looking for that perfect meal for this Sunday's Eagles playoff game? Why not take a note from some legends of the organization? In 1980, the Eagles released a cookbook, Philadelphia Eagles Winning Recipes, as a fundraiser to support the Eagles Fly for Leukemia Foundation. It's chock full of recipes from players, coaches, and their wives, put together by Dick Vermeil's wife, Carol.
A lot of family favorites in here.
The Historical Society of Pennsylvania houses one of these books and let us sift through the 200 pages from desserts to main courses. Some of the recipes are very 80s.
So there's our first Jell-O recipe, at least for dessert.
That's very 80s,
yes.
The strawberry mold. Others are interesting.
Clear soup, a can of beef bouillon, half a can of clam juice, and half a can of water.
But Carol says one thing she loved about this, aside from raising money for a good cause, was seeing all the family ties.
A lot of the players and coaches ask their moms and aunties or whoever for recipes.
I think we got a good idea of some of these recipes. Maybe we'll go try and put a couple of these together, see how they turn out.
Sounds good.
And what better one to make than Dick Vermeil's favorite enchiladas?
First of all, you better get some nice corn tortillas.
So off to the store we went. Then into the kitchen to try it out. Dick Vermeil's favorite enchiladas. Fingers crossed. This cookbook isn't something you're going to find on store shelves anymore, but you can go to the Historical Society and page through it. Or
I think the best place to look for a copy of this would be your parents' or your grandparents' house.
As for how our version of Dick's favorite enchiladas turned out, Carol, you're a legend. Dan Snyder, CBS News, Philadelphia.